So let's say we want to add a material or texture to a Blender object as simply as possible. One of the ways you can do that is accessing a fantastic add-on called Blender Kit. Blender Kit's terrific. You can follow the link, you just look it up, or follow the link on my website, download it, of course, obviously. And then we go into Blender, we go Edit, Preferences, and then we go Install, and we'll navigate to the Downloads folder. There it is, install the add-on. And once you've installed it, make sure that you select it so it's active. There we go. Click OK, and we're good to go. If you don't see it, just click the eye that's in the corner here, but you'll notice that there's actually a new menu that pops up. And what we're going to do is take a look at the third button in, which is Materials. There's other buttons on here as well too that you can explore, for example, Models, Scenes, etc. But let's just look at Materials for right now. And so I'm going to do a search here for wood. You could search for metal, for all kinds of different things. And I'm also actually going to get rid of this object. And I'm going to Shift A, add a mesh, and make it a plane, scale it up a little bit. And then with it selected, I'm going to go through and see if I find one I like. And I like this one right here. All I do is click once on it. And it doesn't seem to work, but that's because we have to go up here to Viewport Shading. And with the right button selected, second from the right, you can see we've actually got this fantastic wood surface. That worked really well. Let's just render this and see how it looks. And it looks fantastic. We can also do more though. Let's say, for example, that we wanted to go in and tweak this a little bit. We wanted to, I don't know, increase the repetition. What we can do is go into Shading. And then we'll find the node, the mapping node. That's the important one we want. A bunch of nodes that are all automatically configured, or pre-configured, I should say. By going into Mapping, what we can do is set our scale. And you can see it's set to 3. We can change that. Okay, I'll set it to 3.8. And I can also change the Y as well too. Increase or decrease it. And you will notice, though, the more you increase it, the more you see that pattern repeat. That should be obvious. But I'll leave this about 3.6. Take another render here. And wow, this actually looks fantastic. And again, that took, what, about a minute. You can also make this disappear simply by clicking the eye. And you're back into your regular edit or modeling mode. There we go. That's it for now. Over and out.